Guys, how are you? Welcome to Let's Code with Sarvesh. So today we are going to make a space animation in which a boy will go to space and land its rocket from the field at MIT to the moon. So for making this we need to open TurboWrap, or you can also open Scratch from your browser. So first of all we have to delete this right one and select two backdrops. First, first backdrop we have to select of field at MIT, and second one of moon. Yeah. Now let us select two sprites. One rocket ship and second one Chiron. So we need to keep the size of rocket to 200 and size of Chiron to 75 or 50, because rocket ships are bigger than us we think. Now click on costumes. Before clicking on costume you have to click on rocket ship and select costume rocket ship E. Now let us start coding. First click on events and select when space key is pressed. Sorry, any key is pressed. Wait 1 second. Click on looks. Say hello for 2 seconds. And after saying hello, wait for 1 second. So our first code will work like this. Now let's do another code. So again click on looks and select this one. Say hello for 2 seconds. Instead of hello, we have to type I am going to space. So it will work like this. Now after doing this, click on motion and select glide one sets to random position. And in the place of random position you have to select rocket ship. So Chiron will glide to rocket ship in 1 second. Now click on costume and select Chiron F. Now click on eraser and erase the full costume of Chiron. You have to erase everything. Let us select Chiron. After gliding to rocket ship, wait for 1 second, and after waiting for 1 second, switch costume to Chiron F. So whenever the Chiron will glide to the rocket ship, then he will be switching his costume to invisible. So this will be seen like this. The Chiron is entering the rocket ship. Now go on event section and select broadcast message. And after broadcasting the message one, click on rocket ship. When I receive the message one, click on events. Sorry, on looks and switch custom to rocket ship E. In the place of E, you has to select rocket ship A. So in the rocket ship A, the rocket ship is flying. So after rocket ship A does flying, click on control and select wait for 1 second. After waiting for 1 second, switch back to moon. And after switching back to moon, take again wait 1 second. and select the. After waiting 1 second, switch costume to rocket ship. So now the rocket ship will fly to the moon, and after flying to the moon, the rocket ship will be in the flying position. So after flying to the moon, it will, after waiting 1 second, the rocket ship will be looking like this. Okay, now click on events and select broadcast message 1. Sorry, you have to delete it. Broadcast message 1. In the place has the message 1, you have to type leave. So now click on Kairan and select when I receive leave. When I receive leave, click on looks and select switch costume to Kairan A. And in the middle of when I receive leave and switch costume to Kairan A, you have to block wait 1 second block. Now after switching costume to the Kairan A, he will be gliding to this position again. Now click on glide 1x to 100, x-axis 104 and y-axis 70 minus 78. So he will be gliding here. So our code are working like this. Yeah, it's perfect. And if you are having some mistakes, you can, if you are having facing some issues, you can also comment me. I will definitely reply you. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. My next video will be on I think so, I will be uploading video on MIT App Inventor, or I will be making a new project which the short I has recently done. So for till moment, bye bye. I will meet you in next video.